8 things remove from your mobile. Number 1. Built-in browsers. They can share your personal information. They can slow your mobile and drain much battery. Number 2. Antivirus programs. Hacker make antivirus to stole your information. On the other hand, those antivirus slow down your mobiles and show much of the ads. Number 3. Music players. They play important role to slow down mobiles. They used in background and drain much battery. Number 4. Battery savers. They are useless and, at the name of battery savers, they consume more battery. Those main purpose is advertise of ads. Number 5. Fast charging app. Like battery savers, they also consume battery at the name of fast charging, and they show much of ads. Number 6. Free Wi-Fi apps. They say that, we provide you Wi-Fi password of public areas. Ha ha ha. They are useless. Their main purpose is advertisement of ads. Number 7. RAM increasing apps.
As the name of RAM increasing, they more slow down your mobile. Number 8. APK apps. In the simple word, the meaning of APK apps is download free version of paid apps. I recommend you that don't download if they have small amount of virus which may harmful for your device. These days I am so sad because most of the people watch me video but don't subscribe.